guys, so this is the first video that I have filmed in over a year now, so I apologize if I am super out of practice, but I wanted to film a video because the Frank Green Lucky Bags came out and I really wanted to purchase one and film a video for you guys because you seem to really enjoy the one that I filmed back in 2022, 2 years ago now. So I thought, why not? I will allow myself to purchase one, even though I've bought one of these for the last 3 years now, including this year. I actually did buy one last year and I was planning on filming a video for it, but I never ended up getting around to it. So one of the first days these came out, I bought it and here we are filming, and hopefully I will post it really quickly. I really wanted to purchase another one of these this year because I am such a sucker for like lucky dip, lucky bag sorts of things. Whenever I can get really good value for money things, which I tend to find always happens in these like sort of lucky bags things, I will almost always get like sucked in and buy one. So that is why this is the third one of these that I have bought. This is the bigger lucky bag, so I paid $120 for this one and I got $200 worth of items in here. I actually have not opened it yet. I didn't want to open it off camera because that's what I did last year and then I never ended up filming it. So this was how I bribed myself into making this video, because I really want to get back into making videos more often. Well, at all. I'm just finding it really difficult to juggle like adulthood, a full-time job, you know, trying to stay healthy, trying to have like multiple hobbies. It's freaking hard being an adult. It's freaking hard like fitting stuff into your life. But anyway, I will put a timestamp down below of when I opened the box because I feel like I waffle on a lot, and I know on my last video that I posted of these, someone commented that in the comments, so I will put a timestamp so that you can go straight to that if that's what you have come to see. And also at the end of this video I will quickly go over what I got in my last year's box as well. I think I paid $120 for that as well and got $200 worth of items. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong though. But anyway, with that all being said, let us get into the unboxing of my Frank Green Lucky Bag. I'm so excited. I apologize, I feel like this video is going to be super noisy because I've got like a box full of polystyrofoam thingies. What are they called? So I will try and talk around moving them so we don't have the noise of them moving in the back of the video, but I may forget that and talk over it, so I apologize if there's like lots of like rustling and stuff. Anyway, I feel so nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay. I instantly forget to do it. Ooh, oh my god, okay. I feel like a child, I'm so excited. Okay, so, ooh. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the 2 litre. Yep, this is a 2 litre water bottle. It has, and yellow, I don't know what the colours are. It's yellow, obviously, but I don't know what the actual colour names are because I know they all have fancy names. It's got the original lid on it though, like there's just one that you push open and close. Like that. Also, my Sealy thing has come out, but that's fine. That'll just go straight back in. Okay, that was item 1. Let's go for item 2. Oh my god, I just saw something and I'm so excited. I was hoping that I'd get something this color. This is like my favorite color. I love purple and I don't know what this is. Oh, you know what? I think it's like the cover that goes on the base of them, like the bottles. I think it sits on the base of it to like protect it, which is cool because one of the ones I got last year I think will fit into this. I think this is like 1 litre size because that is definitely not fitting in there. But anyway, I love this color so much. I was hoping I'd get something in this color. I'm so excited now. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. This is, I'm pretty sure this is a 1 litre water bottle with a screw top lid. I actually don't have any of the screw top lids. So that's cool too. I have so many water bottles now. I am going to get in so much trouble for filling up the water bottle cupboard more than I already have. Ooh. A ceramic usable coffee cup. I have so many of these now thanks to the lucky bags. I think this is the medium size. It holds 295 mils. With mine I always get a large coffee and they charge me for a large coffee, but I think a large coffee is just 2 shots, so I think it's just 2 shots and then they just fill the rest of it with milk. But I actually love this. I tend to use the bigger size the most, but the barista at my cafe prefers it when I use this size because he can put it in the coffee machine. Whereas the taller coffee mugs, when I use that, he jerks. He makes fun of me because it's too big. So I think that might be it. Okay, so that is definitely it. So we got 2 water bottles, one of the 2 liter, one 1 liter, and we got one of the medium size reusable coffee cups. It is the ceramic one too. I don't know if I said that before. So it is the one that like keeps it cooler for longer, which is more expensive, and the push button lid, which is like the whole reason I like Frank Green, because I'm like, this is so cool. Like you push it in and it opens. I don't know why, that just really entertains me and it's fun. And also this little silicone thing, I think it is, that goes on the base of the water bottle. So like that. So that works really well actually. Isn't that cute? I love it. I know that Frank Green have different lids now, and I don't love this style of lid. I don't mind it if I'm like sitting at my desk or if I'm walking around at home and stuff, but when I go to the gym, I don't like touching this because I feel like, you know, I'm touching gym equipment that other people have touched. Even if I like sanitize it first and I have my hands clean, it makes me feel a bit like grotty. The fact that you have to like fully like move it, like you push it, but then you have to move it, and it just makes me feel gross. But it's a freaking great drink bottle, and I really like the one that I have already, so I will 100% use it. And I actually love this color so much. Like this is such a beautiful yellow, and also it's awesome because the tops of these are dishwasher safe, which is really cool. Like these straw ones, I'm pretty sure, I hope it is. Well, I put my other one in the dishwasher, so hopefully it's dishwasher safe. But that is everything I got in this year's box. So people who just wanted to see what was in that, that's all I got. For what I got in my last year's box, I got the 1 liter water bottle with the white lid, so it's like the chrome gold bottle and the white lid, and I freaking love this. But like I was saying before, this lid thing, I just feel gross when I use it at the gym. Everywhere else I freaking love it, everywhere else I don't care, but when I'm at the gym, I feel like I always choose different water bottles if I go to the gym, just because I know I don't want to have to touch this. But like at work or at home, I'm fine because I'm not like walking around just touching random crap that a lot of strangers have touched, and I'm like, you know, like, oh. So I actually love this and I use it all the time, and I love the gold too. And again, I chuck this in the dishwasher all the time. I hand wash this. I also got this. This is the large coffee cup. This is the medium one that I got this year. This is the large coffee cup, which is what I usually take to the cafe at work. I love like a creamy, milky coffee. So that's why I take this one, because the bigger it is, the more milk they put in it for me. Which, if you watched my last video, you will know that I got this in my first ever Frank Green box, the first one that I ever bought in 2022. And when I opened my box last year and I got this again, I was just like, are you kidding me? Saying that, I do freaking love it. So I was kind of like, oh well, it's a good reusable cup. I will use it. I do actually really like red. When I was a child, red was my favorite color. So I'm like, yeah, it's good. It's a good color. It's bright. It's like you can see it in the distance. It's not gonna get lost. I was actually really afraid when I ordered another one this year. I was like, they're gonna send me this again, like I'm gonna get a third one of these. So I'm really glad that I didn't. I also got this, which is super fun. So this was from my last year's lucky bag as well. So it's like this leopard print, like this really fun leopard print cup, and it's like the medium size as well, and it came with like a cute pink lid, which I think is really cute together. They also gave me this, which is like a plain lid thing for the mugs, or like anything actually. You could use it on the drink bottles, so it will seal, like go on this and do up, I hope. Oh my god, maybe. Oh, okay, well, it's supposed to do this, I think. I have not used this at all. But like, if you don't like drinking out of these and you just want this, I feel like this is probably going to be a much more affordable option. But anyway, and I also got another one of those 3-in-1 Frank Green bag things, which I also got the first year, but I got like a leopard print one the first year, but they are just super useful. I realized I forgot to say before, I got this like cloth last year as well, and I'm pretty sure it's for like polishing and cleaning this, I think. I'm pretty sure. I assume that's what it's for, because like I feel like it's like that really soft sort of feel, so I feel like it's supposed to like wipe it down. So that is everything that I got in my this year's Frank Green Lucky Bag and my last year's Frank Green Lucky Bag. The only thing with this year's Lucky Bag is obviously like you don't know what you're gonna get, but I would have loved to get one of their new lids. The new lids on these water bottles, they have like a push button, which I think, see, it's a struggle. You like push here and then like the straw pops out rather than having to push here and then like push that across. So I think in my head, I feel like that would be like less touchy, but I mean like you'd have to touch like the straw part like that you're drinking out of less, but I could be wrong. Also, you should know if you get one of these, and if you haven't had one before, you fully have to lock out like that. You have to hear that click before you can drink from it. The first time I tried to use it, I thought it was broken because I could not get water out of it until I googled it, and people were like, you have to fully lock it out. Like you have to push with quite a bit of force to get it to the full lock position. So just in case you have the same issue that I did and you have to Google how to use it. But anyway, guys, that is everything that I got in my this year's Frank Green Lucky Bag and last year's Frank Green Lucky Bag. I hope this was informative for you if you want to get one yourself. I just want to say to my subscribers or anyone who's watching this who like usually watches my videos or like likes watching my videos when I post, I am so sorry that I have been completely missing. I honestly am just finding it very hard to find time. I'm trying to like make time for this because like it is something that's really important for me, and I really want to get back into doing it like more regularly. I feel like every time I post a video I say this in my videos, so it's just like I don't want to be like I'll be back soon, because I honestly don't know when I'm going to be back, but I really want to be back, and I really want to get back into this because I used to post so regularly and I love doing it. It's so much fun. I just need to get better at making time. But anyway, also I have filmed another video that I filmed like a year ago that I have not posted, that I am considering because I still need to edit it. So if I post a video soon, it may be that video that I filmed over a year ago. I may post that, I'm not sure. I will probably end up posting it because like it goes for so long and you know it's a lot of effort. Oh my god, what am I saying? Also, another like little tip apart from the straw tip, which is obviously incredibly important, you have to be really careful because I put these ceramic cups in the dishwasher and I've like ruined this one and the one that I got in the first year because you're not supposed to put them in the dishwasher. I didn't realize. Apparently the ceramic ones aren't supposed to go in the dishwasher, which apparently most things that are insulated are supposed to be hand wash only. So you have to really read the instructions well, because I read the instructions or like the care things on the website and it said that it was dishwasher safe, but when I looked closely it said dishwasher safe, yes, lid, and then it was like no ceramic cup part. So this part is not dishwasher safe, but this part is. But I'm pretty sure if you get the plastic cups, I'm pretty sure they're dishwasher safe, but if you purchase a cup from Frank Green or anywhere, if you're buying like reusable cups and stuff, just make sure you always read the care instructions properly, because if you dishwash this you might ruin it like me, because yeah, I can't like actually screw it up. Like see, it goes to like halfway. Sometimes if I get it on the correct angle, I can screw it up completely, but it almost always like leaks out the side. So it's like I won't realize because I'll think it's properly sealed, and then I will go to drink from it and it will come all down the side and it goes everywhere and it's really annoying. So definitely best not to do that to your expensive, fancy reusable cups. Pro tip, learn from my mistakes, because I literally did that to 2 cups. I also did it to this one, but I think I only ended up putting it through the dishwasher once, and so it still actually works. So this one is the only one that I have of the reusable coffee cups that still properly seals. So that's good. At least I have one. But now I have 2 because I have this grey one, so that's exciting. So now I have 2 1-liter bottles, and one of the 2-liter bottles, which I'm pretty sure it's freaking huge. I was like, it's a 2-hander. But anyway, I feel like these are so popular. Like, I feel like there's so many like kids that carry these around. I'm like, how do they like walk around with 2 freaking liters of water? It's like a workout constantly. That's hilarious. But anyway, at least I'm going to be really hydrated when I'm sitting at my desk all day without having to get up and constantly refill my water bottle. So that'll be good. I actually do love my 1-liter one that I got last year. Yeah, and I actually feel like I'm going to use this purple thing on this one because I kind of like the purple with the gold. But We'll see. I might change my mind. And this is why my videos are always so long, because I waffle on and on and on. But anyway, that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you end up getting a Frank Green lucky bag, let me know in the comments down below what you get, because I'm super interested to find out what other people get. And I hope this video was helpful to you if you are interested in getting one, because they are a lot of fun. I obviously enjoy getting them because I bought them 3 years in a row now. But anyway, thank you again so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you soon. At the new price, like if the, but anyway, with that, oh, and it's the original lid though. Oh shit, sorry, that was so loud. Okay, I feel like I got, oh, see, I feel like I got, no, okay,